About this item: USB 3.0 switch selector, USB KVM switcher for two PCs sharing 4 USB 3.0 peripheral devices, 1 button swapping for keyboard, mouse, scanner, printer, U-disk, without constantly pulling cables or set up complicated network sharing software. Improve your work efficiency greatly. LED light indicator. This keyboard mouse switch can be easily switched between two computers with a single click on the button, with LED indicating the active computer. The indicator light is not dazzling at night, so our USB switch will not disturb your working or sleeping. Great compatibility. Driver free for Windows 10/8/8.1/7/Vista/XP and Mac OS X, Linux, and Chrome OS. Simply plug and play. USB 3.0 fast data transfer up to 5 GB/s and backward compatibility. USB 2.0 and 1.1 specifications. Ideal solution for sharing up to 4 USB peripherals with up to 2 separate computers. Use the USB KVM to eliminate the need for swapping cables and peripherals between desktops, laptops, and other equipment. Panel button allows the USB switch selector to swap between hosts with a single button press of the USB toggle switch. Package includes USB 3.0 switcher, 1 PC, 1.5 m USB 3.0 cable, 2 PCS, 1 m USB 2.0 micro USB cable, 5V2A, for extra power. Important note: please use standard 5V adapter, not included, for powering. Any charger with a higher voltage output is not allowed and may affect the product performance. In the description to get this product today at the best price. About this item: USB 3.0 switch selector, USB KVM switcher for two PCs sharing 4 USB 3.0 peripheral devices, 1 button swapping for keyboard, mouse, scanner, printer, U-disk, without